Hey guys, how's it going? So I found something kind of disturbing on Choom, which made me shed a decent amount of my position. Now I have lesser position on Choom. I found something that kind of disturbing to me, so I'm gonna share in this video. So yeah, Choom today volume is kind of low, but yes, the problem is on Choom. So like I was looking through the financial statements. Like I noticed that they released a financial statement on March 1st, 2019, and according to this, they didn't release it. So they kind of kept it hush hush and didn't really release the or try to reveal that they released the earnings and show the information. But according to this, let's see, is this it? June, yes. Okay, so according to this, if you look, they wrote off the intangible assets of $89 million. Now they have a total shareholder equity of 29. Sorry, asset of 29 and a total shareholder equity of 17.6 million. And then as you look right here on the income statement, they lost a total of $89 million and a total net loss of $92 million, diluting the stock by 50 cents. This was released on March 1st. The stock wasn't even affected on this, and then after a few days after, it ramped all the way up to 80 cents. I don't know if Choom's a pump and dump, but if you scroll down to the 20, let's see, go down to 20, it says right here, during the period ending December 31st, 2018, management changed the company's strategic plans to focus on developing a network of retail stores and will feature curated selection of products from various licensed producers, resulting in a decision not to pursue the cultivation sector of the cannabis industry. The company divested and sold 90.2% interest in SMP to the original key shareholder to reclass Medican IGC to assets held to sale. The company changed the focus to retail management, deciding to operate, I can't say that, IGC meet a definition of asset class, to discontinue operation under IFRS 5. Consequently, you know what, I don't have to read this. I don't know why I was reading this, but they got rid of the cultivation side of the thing. So Choom no longer cultivates. They only do retail, and the asset is worth, the total shareholder equity is worth let's see, hold on, $17 million. So they have a total shareholder equity of $17 million, and Choom right now is worth, like $125 million market cap. So they are kind of overvalued. Will Aurora still buy them out? Yes, but I think Aurora is gonna renegotiate the price of when they do buy them out. Maybe right now they're fair price. Maybe Aurora will buy them out for $1 at almost $200 million market cap once they have their facility built out. But you gotta remember, Alcana is also only worth $186 million. They have more cash, more assets, and more everything than Choom, and the price is decreasing. So and they're only worth like $60 million more than Choom. So by the time Choom builds out all the things, Alcana will too. So, and Alcana right now is cheaper than Choom. I mean, well, with all the total asset, Alcana is considered cheaper than Choom compared to book ratio of Choom. So that's why I kind of sold. I took off risk. Choom is on an uptrend though. Choom is still on the upper Bollinger Band. So unless Choom drops back to 56 cents, it's still in an uptrend. So I could just be overreacting, and I could just be overactive. But I'm shocked because I was like, okay, you know what? Now that they don't grow cannabis anymore, the only reason why I'm buying Choom is for their retail locations. Alcanna also had some really bad news too today. I'm surprised that the stock price didn't drop even more, but it didn't. So, Alcanna, I looked at the Alcanna released earnings last night. Around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock. And then I saw it, and then I kind of looked, and then I was playing around with Sedar, and I looked at Choom, and that's when I noticed Choom's write-off on asset. But Alcanna wrote off the assets, so they no longer have goodwill under their belt. Now they have a total shareholder equity of $292 million. After $130 million of total liabilities, that will give them a total shareholder equity of $161 million. They have a total market cap of $180 million. So they did roll off the shareholder equity. So their loss before earnings is $164 million, diluting the share by 4.48. Alcanna did lose a ton of money because they had to write off the good assets. So that's a very big concern. I just wanted to point that out, that it's a huge concern that they're writing off the assets. So, and the fact that the stock's not dropping massively is kind of shocking to me. But I could be wrong. Maybe this whole asset write-off is nothing, and yeah, I don't know. I'm not an expert on this stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. So this could just be me completely overreacting. So let's talk about the stock market a little bit. So so the market is, kind of just, not really doing anything. Not, kind of positive today, but I don't know throughout the day if it's going to stay positive or it's going to dip to the red. But it's just kind of trading a little sideways action right now. Doesn't seem very strong on the bull side, and the bear side doesn't even seem to be there. So Aurora is up 11 cents in the market, so that's good. I still have Aurora stock. Don't plan to sell it until it hits $14 or $13 or $14. Maybe I'll take a small chunk at $13, and then if it goes to $14, I'll sell a little bit more, and if it goes to $15, I'll sell a little bit more. And then if it does go back to the low $11, I probably will buy some more, but we'll see though. Largo, one of my, I still have a big investment in Largo. I'm hoping Largo either drops dramatically or rises dramatically, because I still have a decent amount of shares left. I still have a big chunk. I think $150,000 or $160,000 of my original money in Largo. I'm up, I don't know, 10%, I guess. Canopy Growth. Did Largo have any news today? Nope. But they will have the earnings very soon here. Largo had a pretty decent volume yesterday. It was 1.57 million. Let's hope today has decent volume. It started off the day really strong, actually. Yeah, really strong for Largo. Pretty decent starter volume. Let's see if this continues to run like this. But yeah, it's pretty good volume in the daytime. Canopy Growth. Canopy is up today. No, it's down today. Interesting. High Tide, a company I'm kind of eyeing. I think I think this is a good company. James E. Wagner. James E. Wagner is, You know, it had a massive rally. Canopy Rivers does own River does own James E. Wagner, so they are probably benefiting big time. I bought some Rivers yesterday around this price. As soon as I bought it, it popped all the way up to like $4.52, and today it's kind of volatile. I only bought 2,000 shares. I mean, 2,000 shares might be a lot to certain people, but to me it was kind of like a small gamble. I was like, oh look, Rivers is down a little bit, so I just decided to buy it. And then as soon as I bought it, the stock popped on me. I don't know if it will continue to go down, but if it does go down, I will continue to buy more. You know, I don't think Canopy Rivers is gonna go anywhere anytime soon, so that's just my opinion. And Choom, you know, kind of trading sideways. I could be wrong. Choom can just, you know, pop back up and go back to all-time high, back to 80 cents, and maybe possibly go back to $1. And I just made a big mistake and sold out. You know, I'm thinking that this could just be a pump and dump, but maybe not. Maybe I'm completely wrong. But you know, like, I'm just so shocked and surprised that they didn't tell people, like, handcraft cannabis. They're no longer doing handcraft cannabis. They're a straight up retailer, and they have not tell the public that. They only said that in the earnings release, which they didn't even make transparent. Like, they did release it on setup, but they didn't advertise that their earnings came out. So, you know, that's not good. I honestly believe they should have advertised their earnings, but they didn't. Some companies do that, but I didn't like that. So I'm just going to, you know, I'm thinking that Choom is going to go down further. That's why I sold out. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for thanks. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.